to this wonderful channel. I urge you always to watch our videos attentively so you can follow step by step everything we do, in order to come up with great ideas in creating great and very fine designs. I always urge you to subscribe to the channel, share and like, comment with your questions you have, and you have it answered on time. We welcome every day to watch new content. If you want us to create other content, whatever content that you have in mind that you want us to create for you to see how it is done, I think we will expect you to do it in the form of a comment under any of the videos, and we'll make sure that we come up with those kind of designs to answer your questions. Thank you. Now let's begin with the work, and we'll do less of a talking and more of background music to not confuse you so much in the design process. Now let's begin. This is going to be a blue, black and white color. Blue, black. So it's going to be made up of three basic colors. So now let's begin. I pick my rectangle tool and then give it white background. The white, that is going to be the background white, and then get rid of the outline. Now I'm going to do this a bit of a curve edges. So this is going to be, I will set it to 7, not that steep, or let me see, I'll set it to 10. I give it a background color, and then I will copy it. This time around I'm copying from the it's going to be quite a deep, yes, so this is going to be that I will expand it a bit. The reason is that this is going to be power clipped, so I will expand it a bit and then power clip it here. Edit the power clip, and then this is what I'm going to do. I will put this here to here, give it black again. That is not good because I'm editing it. Now I have to pull it back a bit and set my blue color for the topmost layer. This one, I copy this again and bring it here. And this, I'm going to get rid of the shape. And this is going to be resized. I bring it here, and now press on my curve tool, and then let me resize it first, and then my QR code here. Now, the next thing I will do is to get my name here, reduce the size to 9, and then bring it here, give it white. The position is going to be around 6. It should be smaller always. So this is the position. Then we give it a white color and bring it here. Now, the next thing I will do is that I need to get this into the blue color. To go create the back side of it. This one is going to be simple. Let's see, this one then. Let me go for my rectangle too. Then I give it a white background. Get rid of the outline as usual. It shouldn't be part of it, so we get rid of it as soon as we are done. Then I duplicate it or copy it. I duplicate it here. The next thing we do is to get some of the content here. The logo. We have the logo copied. One. We have the website copied. And we have the QR code copied. So these are the things we are going to bring to the back side of it. So the logo isn't showing for a reason. The logo is going to be here. Like this. We drop the logo right to the front of middle of it. The website address is going to be here. And we use a QR code just right here. Now let's go and export it and see how beautiful the color. Cat looks like. Get rid of the outline and export. Control E as an export side of it. Now let's export it. We go to the back side of it request every day. Now let's go and export it. And as always, modify this to make it look different from the previous one so you don't overwrite it. Now we go here. Let's go to, this is the card that we've created, very beautiful. And this is the back side of it. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like, comment, and let's know what you're thinking so we can always give you very good content. Thank you.